Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can reschedule an individual task and multiple tasks at once within your command. So first, sign into command and go over to your tasks tab right here. Now for team tasks, make sure that you've selected your name in the top right and that you are currently on the team account. If you are looking to adjust personal tasks, you can choose your personal account here. We are going to look at team tasks today. So again, confirmation of that is seeing the name and the team name in the top right-hand corner. From here, in order to reschedule a task, you can click on the three dots on the right-hand side of the particular task and choose to reschedule from here. It will give you a pop-up and you can choose what kind of due date you would like to reschedule it to. You can choose extend by a certain number of days and just say another 7 days to give you an extra week and click reschedule. Or you can choose a particular calendar date, like if you know I'll be back in the office next Monday, and that would be a good time to do it. You can choose that from the calendar and choose reschedule. Or come back up to due date and you can choose on or before and after a smart due date. A smart due date is based on a particular key date on an opportunity. So for a smart due date, you can say, I want this task to be done 1 week after, and choose the particular key date from the drop-down list or smart due date. So let's scroll down and actually say close date. So we will want this task to be done 1 week after the closing date for an opportunity. And you can click reschedule from there. You also have the opportunity to make sure that this task doesn't actually have a due date at all. You can choose no due date and reschedule it as well. We'll click reschedule and you will see that update on your screen now. And so that's how you reschedule an individual task. If you're looking to reschedule multiple tasks at one time, you can simply click the select all right here, and it will select up to 50 tasks at one time, and you can choose to reschedule from there. It will give you a similar pop-up window, except this time, since it's multiple tasks that do include some that had smart due dates or they were based on a calendar date, when you're rescheduling multiple, it will just give you the option to schedule based on a calendar date, and you can reschedule. If it's just a few tasks, you can also just select those particular tasks and still have that option to bulk reschedule them down here at the bottom. Again, choosing from the calendar date to reschedule those and click reschedule. If you have any questions about how to reschedule your tasks or anything else to do with your KW platforms, please feel free to reach out to us via email, support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.